Hey Dog Pros, Josh from Digiwoof here and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about custom fields, what they are, and how you can use them in your dog business. So I'm in my Clicks account here and I'm going to go down into settings and then we're going to scroll down and find custom fields on the left. Custom fields, also referred to as custom values, are the different values that our clients are giving us. So for example, the dog's name, the dog's age, their name, their address, etc., etc. These are all custom values or custom fields that we can put into our different automations, emails, or anything else that we are using to communicate with our clients. So you can see here that I have the dog's name, age, etc., throughout this full folder of all of our fields. If I go into folders, you're going to see that you can organize your different custom fields via folders. So we can put different fields in dog information, general information, or we can create new folders if we want to segment a different way. So you can either create a custom field via our custom fields here, where we go to add field, and then we go through and pick what the field is that we're creating. So it might be a single line of text, a paragraph, it might be a single dropdown, a multiple choice dropdown, checkbox, or having them upload a file or give us a signature. So let's say, for example, we want to get vet information. So I can use a single line of text, for example. I'm probably going to put this in dog information. Maybe I decide to make a folder that is vet information that I could put it in. I'm then going to put a vet's name and we're good to go then. And so then we can attach this field to any of our contacts, or we can use it in any of our forms as well. So another way of creating our custom fields is by going to sites, forms, or the survey builder, where we are going to then go into a form. And then you can see on the left that we can add an element being any of our custom fields. So we can pull from any of our quick adds for basic info. We can then go to custom fields and select any of the things that we have already, or we can add a new custom field as we saw before. So I can go ahead and pull dog's name, dog's age. I also want to make sure that I'm at least getting their name, their full name actually, their phone, and maybe their email as well. If I click into any of these things, I can then make them required. So now if we have a form on our website or maybe on a calendar where we're having them sign up for something, we want to make sure we are getting different custom fields that we can then plug into any of our emails. So if I back out of this form builder, we can first take a look at our automations where we can plug in custom fields. So for example, if I go to our discovery calls and when a call is booked, so we may decide to attach a discovery call form to our calendar that they are then giving us some information in. So let's take a look at the emails that go out to the client. So the confirmation email. So we would say something like your discovery call for contact dog name. So you can see we can make our automations very personal with our custom fields. So your discovery call for Fluffy. We will find that custom field by going to our tag. Contact is the client. And then we can see we can scroll down to custom fields and find any of our custom fields. We can also pull other values such as things about the appointment. So if this automation is triggered off of an appointment, we have the ability to add different things about that appointment. So the appointment start time, date, the meeting location, reschedule, cancel link, or anything else, or notes that we have attached to the particular meeting. And so you can see we're saying, hi, person's first name. Your appointment has been confirmed for start time at the time zone. If this doesn't work, let us know. We can't wait to meet, contact dog name and yourself. And so you can see that you could use this for a variety of different things, from replying to text, sending out a mass email, your newsletter, or anything else where we are trying to be very personal in how we're communicating. So I'm going to back out of here and we're going to go to our email builder really quick. And so let's say I have a template. And so inside of this template, you can see that I'm wanting to put in the person's name, their dog's name, make it a little bit more relevant to them so they actually take this information in. So hi, first name, here's your newsletter for Fluffy. So how we would do that inside of our email builder here. So let's say to bring contact dog name. So I'm going to find our custom values. I'm going to go to contact, custom fields. I can then search, or I can find my dog name here, or any other variable that we may be referring to. So that is how we go about using custom fields. So I'm hoping you're seeing how you may be able to use this in your own business to make your automations very personal to your clients. And oftentimes we get a lot of responses on our own automations where people are thanking us for being so prompt, even though it is an automation. So be sure to do this for yourself and your clients to really bring up the professional value of your business. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will catch you on the next video.